Here we are in section 5-1, exercises numbers 19 through 27. We are solving these. Now, there were 3 steps that were given. We're going to be focusing on these bottom 2. If we see addition or subtraction, we're going to do the opposite of it. Same thing with multiplication and division. So, number 19. We have x minus 5. We've got to get rid of that minus 5, so we do the opposite of it to both sides to keep it balanced. And we end up with x equals 12. Notice x is now by itself, and we know what number that was. And you could stick it back in here to see. 12 minus 5 would equal 7. Yeah, doing the opposite undoes that minus 5. Number 20, r plus 9 is 15. We're trying to get r by itself, so we've got to do the opposite of that positive 9, and that is a negative 9. So subtract 9 from both sides, and we get r, that's gone, equals negative 15 minus 9 is a negative 24. Again, negative minus 9, they add in the negative direction. Number 21, negative 3 plus m equals 18. We want to get m by itself, so we have to do the opposite of that negative 3, which is a plus 3. Even though it's being added to the m, we have to kill this number, and that's what does it. Technically, we just use the additive inverse. So it's gone. We did it to both sides, so now we have m equals 18 plus 3 is 21. Number 22. We need to divide by 7/3. Now, if we divide by 7/3, notice divide by 7/3, when we divide by fractions, that's actually the same as timesing by 3/7. And watch what happens. Times by 3/7, times by 3/7. 3, 3, 7, 7. They cancel. That's why the multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal. So we get t equals, let me see, 14 over 7. We can cancel that and leave a 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Excellent. Next one. Negative 13 equals 5x plus 7. Oh, the x is over on the right-hand side, and we have to get rid of both the 5 and the 7. Now, notice we go in this order. We get rid of the positive first. So that is 5x equals negative 13 minus 7 is a negative 20. Again, negatives add in that negative direction. And now we have to get rid of that 5 by dividing by 5. Or timesing by 1/5, like we did over here. And we get x equals negative 20 over 5 is a negative 4. And we can leave it just like that without any problem. Number 24 is, let me see, 5x minus 6. So we've got to get rid of that first. Add 6 to this side, add 6 to this side, and we get gone. 5x equals 12 plus 6 is 18. Divide by a 5, divide by a 5. We get x equals 18/5. Can that simplify anything? Nope, I think we're good. You could also write the answer as, let me see, 5 goes into 18 3 times with 3 left over. Or if you turned it into a decimal, that would be okay too. Number 25. Negative 3/8 x minus 4 is 20. Again, we get rid of the things that are being added or subtracted first with their opposites. Okay, so we get negative 3/8 x equals 24. Now divide both sides by 3/8, divide by 3/8, divide by 3/8, which is, we know, timesing by 8/3, negative 8/3, times by a negative 8/3, times by a negative 8/3. 8 cancels. 3 cancels. Negative and negative make a positive. Look, we did it. X is by itself. Yeah, that reciprocal is handy stuff. So let me see. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times negative 8 is a negative 64. Great. Number 26. So there's the p we're trying to get by itself. We've got to multiply by 2 and then adding 12, so we're going to subtract 12. Oops, didn't write that very well. Subtract 12, subtract 12. Now 2p is by itself equals 3 minus 12. That's 12 minus 3 is 9, with the negative 1 winning. and then divide by 2, and now p is by itself as -9/2. You can leave it like that, or call it -4.5, or if you turned it into a decimal, -4.5, and they're all the same thing. Great, and the last one. 0.4y equals 78. There's nothing to add or subtract on here, so just divide by 0.4. Divide by 0.4. Y equals, ooh, I'm going to have to do that one by hand. I don't know that one, 0.4. So we move the decimal, That's 4 into 780. 4 goes into 7 once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract and we get a 3. Drop down the 8. 4 goes into 38 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract 8 minus 6 is 2. Drop down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. Oh, and it comes out nice. So y is 195. Excellent.